Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Here's My Heart by David Crowder. This song was recommended to me by Alfred. Thank you so much for your song suggestion. Now if anybody else wants to leave me song suggestions, just put them in the comment section down below. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and play the song for you, and then afterwards I'll break it down in more detail.
Here's my heart, Lord. Here's my heart, Lord. Here's my heart, Lord. Speak what is true. I am found. Can breathe. I am healed. I am free. You are strong. You are sure. You are alive. You endure. You are good. Always true. You are light breaking through. Here's my heart, Lord. Here's my heart, Lord. Here's my speak what is true. You are more than enough. You are here. You are loved. You are hope. You are praise. All I have. Every day is my heart, Lord. Here's my heart, Lord. Here's my heart, Lord. Speak what is true. Speak what is true.
Alright, for this song we're using 5 chords from the G chord family. We're using the E minor 7, C add 9, G chord, the D over F sharp, and then we're going to throw in an A minor 7 as well in the bridge. For the strumming, we're using the driving pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then we repeat. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, like that. We're adding emphasis on beats 1 and 3, so every other beat we're strumming harder, and then we're strumming softer on 2 and 4. Alright, if you'd like to download the chord chart for this song, just click on the link right here to head on over to the website. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.